It's now late September, and we've already put the big garden to bed for the end of the season. And some of our chickens have reached the end of their season, some of our roosters specifically. Now that they're fully mature and demonstrating their true temperaments, we can decide who's going to stay here to mate and who's going on our dinner plates. But first, let's gather up some green tomatoes to start the base of our rooster stew. Pick the biggest one you can find. Oh, that's a nice one. Why not? Why not? I guess we got enough. That's oregano. Can you pick a big stalk of that? Because we're going to use it in our cooking tonight. Yeah, you can pick the whole thing. Oops. Wow. Nice. So let's save that red tomato for the chicken since it was on the ground. Soup pot. Last moments with your friends. So while working in the garden, we found 2 tomato hornworms, and sometimes they're called tobacco hornworms. So we're gonna feed them to chicken. Alright, so we have some chickens up here on the hill. She doesn't understand that we want to give her a treat. Oh, Kitty's out. Hey, Kitty. Well, we might have to end up giving them to another chicken. The kitty's not going to eat those. So those 2 hornworms are there on the bed. Let's see if this Silky notices them. What do you think? Bark, bark. Chick, chick. Are they too big for you? I think she is a little intimidated by them. What do you think, kitty? It's a hornworm. What is that? We're trying to give it to the chickens as a treat, but none of them seem very interested. I don't think you're gonna eat it. I don't think you should. Yeah, it's not for Toby. Let's go find a chicken to feed these beetles to as a nice treat. Or caterpillars. No, Kitty won't eat that. She's just curious. Oh, here comes Isa. Isa is in her nesting box. Let's see if Isa is interested.
Toby.
Excuse us, Toby. Thank you. What do you think, Isa? No, she wasn't too interested either. Here we have Seagull and Sterling together. So we moved a little closer to the coop, thinking maybe they're out of their comfort zone. So here we go. What'd you find, Squirrel? Look at that. Sterling's still carrying it around like a little trophy. I'm not sure if we just disproved a myth here at our little hobby farm about chickens and hornworms, or I just have some particular chickens. But, yeah, what do you think, Sterling? There you go. Yummy, yummy. What do you think, Speedy? Guy. Thanks so much for watching our 84th video about life on our hobby farm. Say why chicken thigh. Hit that thumbs up if you liked it. And please subscribe for more feel-good Vermonty vibes. Peace!